Hello and welcome to High Life, Low Life. I'm Pete. Today we're unboxing some of the stuff we've got for the Nissan Pathfinder. So here, little baggie, we have our EGR delete plate, $1.99 on eBay. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to use it. It's made out of stainless. Very simple. Make it out of anything. Then we've got silicone vacuum line. Because like I said in the other video, we've got those horrible old tired rubber vacuum hoses. Those tired vacuum hoses. So we'll be using this lovely red silicone vacuum pipe. It's 5mm inner diameter. Do you have 3mm inner diameter pipe as well? I bought thinking that it was 3mm, but it was a bit too tight, so I went the next size up, which was 5mm. The little box here, this is a dash cam, but it's also your rearview mirror, and it came with a reversing camera too, because the reversing camera on that's broken, doesn't work. So we'll upgrade with that. And I said in a previous video that these are the wind deflectors. I have only sort of kind of opened it. We'll actually pull them out and show you guys. So we have 1, 2. Open one up properly. Nice. By the looks of that, it just comes with a bit of 3M tape. It says Pathfinder on it. In black, it's kind of cool. There are some fitting instructions, and I do believe these come with some sort of paint that you have to put on some rubber, on the plastic. So we'll have a quick look, see what's in the little baggie that comes with it. I've got my little helper just off camera, pulling everything off the table and stealing the chocolate, because small ones like chocolate. And vacuum hose, apparently. Come on. There we go. So in the little baggie, we've got some our surface cleaners and a destruction manual. Cool. Put them back in there. Keep them safe. So, it's like Christmas. So I believe these are the back ones. It's my favorite knife. It's not just a knife. Seatbelt cutter, glass breaker. You know, say knives are dangerous. Save your life one day. So yeah, rear wind deflector. Like I say, it's just a bit of 3M tape on the back there. I think this is just, yeah, it's just the receipt. So that's from a company called Storm Accessories. I believe they're Irish. They come from Ireland, so it gives it away, right? Put them back in there. Then onto the one I told you all about, which I believe is the snorkel kit. I'll just lie this one down. It's the best way of doing this. Let's take the staples out, I think. Staples. Come on, why would people staple a box? Just tape. So much easier. Well, that lasted. Finesse lasted all of 2 seconds. Ugh, Let's get it out. Like a kid at Christmas. I want my toys. You cut the tape at the end. You tape the end. And there you have it. One lovely looking snorkel base. This is the part that's where I'm gonna have to drill that big hole I was talking about. And it's got like nut certs put in. So it feels pretty good. Nice ABS plastic. We have a fitting kit with a silicone pipe, which I presume goes to the airbox. And a template, the important template. I have another pipe which I also presume goes to the airbox. Also ABS plastics, that probably goes on something like that. And then my favourite part, everybody loves a safari snorkel, is that lovely safari snorkel, which will go on top. Complete that look. She's going to look different, isn't she? Bit of a beast. Small fry. Tasty. Yeah. Ugh. Before I get onto the exciting part as well, behind me you can see these lovely bits of galvanized tube. It's a 25mm conduit. And that is going to make up the roof rack. So it's kind of going to be a half basket, I guess, with the rear part being flat, the front part being a basket. Because that's what I want. Alright. Now on to the exciting package. Start with the small ones first. It's very well wrapped. So I bought this light bar set on eBay for £115 of free postage. And it came from Germany. Although it's made in China. Like it says in the box. So I'm hoping in here is 2 8-inch spotlights in each box. And open it out. We have some fixings and 2 little spot lamps. And they have like an encapsulated nut in the back. I don't know if you can see that or not. So 1, 2. Two of them, the fitting kit. I'll show you the other 2 just so we can go, yeah, there's 4. This is also me checking it for any damage. And then same fitting kit. One. Another 2. Next onto the next bar. The bar. We're onto a bar. Saran wrap is amazing stuff. Strong and irritating. I'm sure it'll say, don't use a knife to open this box. But I like my knife. Yeah. Light bar goodness. Alright, so take that out of the box. Very well packaged. Another fitting kit there. And voila, look at that, isn't that beautiful? So that's the one we're going to mount above our number plate. I can't wait. It's going to look great. And then finally onto the one. It's either going to get mounted above the windscreen and I'm not paying 50 quid for a fitting kit. I can make myself. So I'll either make brackets for it, or it will get mounted to the front sort of basket part of the roof rack I'm building. I'm going to build the roof rack before fitting this because, like I say, I don't know how I want it yet. So we've got more fittings because they sort of fit on a roof rather than where I want it on the sort of, it'd go in the doors, clip around the windscreen and sort of sit just above the windscreen and just look neater. That's why I'd have to build brackets for it. But if I put it on the basket, I might be able to use those. It also comes, this is the best part, with the wiring kit and everything you need to wire this thing, or all these lights up, if you want them all on one switch. I don't, because I want the 4 on the rear, so I'll have to get another one of these. But it comes with your terminals to go to the battery, positive and negative, your relay, fuse, this little holder, and then a quick release for a switch, just a toggle on, toggle off switch, which has a bit of 3M tape so you can stick it anywhere in the cab. And then onto the thing that you've all been waiting for, the really budget 52-inch light bar. I want to be a little bit careful that I don't scratch it because it's anodized alley, and I like that look too. Black stuff on a black car. That's the way to go. Now that is a beautiful looking curved light bar. I can't wait to see that on the front of the truck. Ugh. So if I bring this closer, because it's got so spotlights, and then as you get to the rear, the side, they change sort of wider, not so directions like beams, and both the 21-inch one does that as well. So the last 4 on each side are more scattered beam, whereas this little working lamps are all scattered. Alright, that is all I've got to show you for this episode, is us unboxing everything. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you like, subscribe, and next time I think we're either going to be doing the wind deflectors or the vacuum line. Thank you and goodbye.